Last main topic in this unit is going to be tangents. So we need to know what a tangent is. A line that intersects a circle at only one point is a tangent to the line. Okay, the point where the tangent intersects a circle is called the point of tangency. So AB is a tangent line because it only touches the circle in one spot at point P, and that is the point of tangency. So our tangent radius property states a tangent to a circle is perpendicular, or at a 90 degrees, to the radius at the point of tangency. So angle APO is the same as BPO, and that is 90 degrees. So we can use that 90 degrees to create triangles, use Pythagorean theorem, and find different angles. So I know that that's going to be 90 degrees. If they give me that this is 63 degrees, I can use my angle properties in a triangle and go 180 degrees minus 90 minus 63, and B would be 27 degrees. Same idea on this one. This is my radius, this is my tangent, so here is my 90 degree angles. So if this is 47 degrees, this is 90, I can go 180 minus those, and X ends up being 43 degrees. Here's one using Pythagorean theorem. So the radius of the circle is 5 centimeters. I'm going to label that. AB is 13 centimeters. What is the distance between C and B right here? Well, I need to start by just finding the entire distance of this. There's my 90 degrees. That means this is the hypotenuse in my right triangle. So if C squared equals A squared plus B squared, C squared equals 5 squared plus 13 squared, C squared equals 25 plus 169. C squared equals 194. So take the square root, and C equals approximately 13.9. Now that is the distance from here to here, but we want to find only from C to B. So we actually do know this distance right here, because that's another radius. So that's 5 centimeters. So all I need to do to find CB is take this answer, subtract 5, and CB ends up equaling 8.9 centimeters. If PQ is 8 meters and QO is 12 meters, what's the radius of the circle? So it says PQ is 8 meters, QO is 12 meters. What's the radius? So that would be this distance right here of my circle. There's my 90 degrees. So I'm given my hypotenuse. I'm trying to find one of the legs of the triangle. So I'm going to do the C squared minus A squared equals B squared. That would be 12 squared minus 8 squared equals B squared. 144 minus 64 equals B squared. So 80 equals B squared. Square root of those. And my radius of the circle is approximately 8.9 meters. Last example. A circular plate is supported so it touches two sides of a shelf. The diameter of the plate is 20 centimeters. How far is the center O of the plate from the inside corner C of the shelf? Which circle properties helped you find out? So we're trying to find how far the center O of the plate is from the inside corner C. So from right here to right here. We're given that the diameter of the plate is 20 centimeters. So from one side to the other is 20 centimeters. Okay, that means that the radius, or from here to here, is 10 centimeters. I still need to know what this distance is, and I create a right triangle right here. This is actually a point of tangency right there. That's why that's 90 degrees. Well, if that's 10, I know that that distance actually also has to be 10 because that's another radii. So now I have a triangle, right triangle, trying to find the hypotenuse. So all I really have to do is go c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Use my tens for that, and I can calculate that and find out that distance.